Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will demonstrate how to allocate customers to the point configuration in Logic ERP. Let's get started. First, we will review the point configurations that have already been created in the Set Customer Points Configuration module. Here, you can see the point configuration that has already been created. Let's allocate this festive occasion point configuration to the customer, where 100 rupee equals 1 point and the value of per point is 10 rupees. Go to the Allocate Customers to Points Configuration module. Here, you can view the list of available point configurations along with the customers allocated to the selected configuration in the right-hand side panel. Now, let's proceed to allocate the selected point configuration to the customer. To do this, simply click on Allocate option, select the required customer, and click OK. The customer is now successfully allocated to the selected point configuration. Let's take a look at how this functionality works during billing. Enter the same customer name and proceed with transacting the item. Upon saving, the available discount window will appear, showing the applicable customer point-wise discounts. To apply a customer point-wise discount, simply select it and click OK. A confirmation message is displayed, showing the total points earned and their corresponding value. Click Yes to proceed. As you may remember, the selected customer's allocated point configuration is set so that 100 rupees spent earns 1 point, with each point valued at 10 rupees. Accordingly, as the value of this bill is 1500 rupees, the customer earns 15 points, with each point valued at 10 rupees. This window confirms that the software has applied points according to the customer's allocated point configuration. Now, enter the number of points the customer wishes to redeem in this bill and then save the voucher. Let's also have a quick glimpse of the customer point ledger report. This report displays detailed information, including the total points earned, points redeemed, and the available balance for the selected customer.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.